That little rush you get when you click Buy Now, it feels good, right? For a moment. But what about an hour later? Or the next day when that Amazon package arrives, and you can't even remember why you needed it in the first place? We've all been there. That cycle of seeing something, wanting it, buying it, and then feeling that quiet wave of regret. It's exhausting. And it's a huge drain on your financial goals. But what if I told you this has almost nothing to do with being bad with money? It's actually about your brain being tricked by years of sophisticated marketing. In the next few minutes, I'm not just going to give you a list of tips. We're going to install a new, simple, 3-step mental process that will stop impulse buys before they even happen. Let's begin. Step 1. The pause button. Right now, your brain goes from seeing something to wanting it in a fraction of a second. There's no space between the trigger and the action. We need to create that space. Almost every expert agrees. It starts with understanding your emotional trigger. So next time you feel that urge, just stop. And for 30 seconds, ask yourself one question. What am I really feeling right now? Am I bored? Stressed from work? Feeling a little down and looking for a quick hit of happiness? Don't judge the feeling, just name it. By identifying the emotion, you separate it from the item you want to buy. You realize the item isn't the solution. It's just a distraction. That's the pause button. You've just taken back control. Step 2. The reality check. This is where you shift from emotion to logic. Ask yourself 3 quick, powerful questions. 1. Where will this live? Picture it in your home. Does it create clutter? Do you even have space for it? That visualization alone often shows you don't actually need it. 2. What will I sacrifice for this? Every dollar has a job. That $50 shirt isn't just $50. It's 2 weeks of coffee, part of your phone bill, or money that could be invested and growing for your future. 3. Can I wait 48 hours? The urge to buy is a sprint, not a marathon. It feels intense, but it fades fast. If you still want it after 48 hours, fine, buy it, consciously. But most of the time, you'll forget all about it. Step 3. Create intentional friction. Companies spend billions making buying effortless. One-click checkout, saved cards, buy now, pay later. Your job is to make it just a little harder for yourself. Unsubscribe from those tempting marketing emails. You can't want what you don't see. Delete your saved credit cards from browsers and shopping apps. Just having to get up and find your wallet is often enough friction to stop an impulse buy. And for your biggest impulse categories, like clothes, gadgets, or food delivery, use a prepaid debit card, or even cash. When you see the physical money leaving your hands, the purchase feels real. You'll spend more mindfully. This isn't about restriction. It's about protecting your future self from being tricked long-term. So, to recap, Step 1. Hit the pause button and identify your emotional trigger. Step 2. Run the reality check by asking where it'll live, what you'll sacrifice, and if you can wait. Step 3. Create intentional friction to protect yourself long-term. This method shifts you from being a reactive spender to a conscious decision maker. If this 3-step reset helped you see things a little more clearly, give this video a like. It truly helps the channel by letting YouTube know this advice is valuable. And if you want to keep learning how to master your money and make it work for you, hit that subscribe button. This is Spend Sense, helping you build a wealthier life, one smart decision at a time.